I'm going to show you how to upgrade these awful lights from the factory for less than $100. So here I have a LED bulb from Amazon, and this is for the lower fog light. So we're going to put it in there, just twist it and it comes right out, and then you're just going to undo this clip. One of the biggest perks of doing it this way instead of upgrading the whole headlight is factory headlight upgrades are really expensive, and third-party solutions are either junk or really expensive as well. And so when you're at this stage, you're just going to plug it back into the pigtail connector and install it back into the socket. You're going to twist it so it's firm in place, and it should stay there and not move. Now we're going to move on to the main headlight assembly, and this is pretty simple as well. It's 3 screws, these 2 on top, and then a third one down below. Now you're going to pull right on the headlight, the top and the side, and it should pop right out. I have yet to find one where it doesn't pop right out. Now here's the light you're going to take out. You're going to twist it till it unlocks, then you're going to pull it straight out and then undo it from the pigtail. I'm doing one-handed, so it takes a while, but once you get it off, you're going to grab your new light, and this one's just going to plug in. The pigtail's a little longer from the light, but that won't make a difference once you put it back in. Plugs in pretty easy. Again, I'm using one hand, so it's a little harder for me. And then you're going to put it back in the socket, same as you took it out. You just twist it to lock it in tight, and now you're going to test it to make sure it works. And as you can see right here, the fan is running on the back to keep it cool. It's a really cool feature that I really like with this particular light. And there you have it, all updated and new and ready to go. Here's a couple before and after pictures that I took, and then here's a before video of me driving. As you can see, it doesn't go very far, and here's an after picture of me driving. It's much brighter and the beam goes way farther.